Imagine you have a magic money tree. Every day, it grows a little bit more, and you can pluck off as much as you need. That's kind of what it feels like to be Vivid. Vivid, the financial app that's taking the world by storm, has been making waves with its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But the question on everyone's mind is, how much money does Vivid actually generate? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Vivid's financial performance, exploring its revenue streams, growth trajectory, and the factors that contribute to its success. Revenue streams. Vivid primarily generates revenue through three main channels. Transaction fees. Every time a user makes a transaction using their Vivid card, the company earns a small fee. This includes purchases, ATM withdrawals, and foreign currency exchanges. Interest income. Vivid offers savings accounts and investment products that earn interest. The company keeps a portion of this interest as revenue. Partner fees. Vivid has partnerships with various financial institutions and service providers. These partners pay Vivid a fee for accessing its user base or utilizing its technology. Growth trajectory. Vivid has experienced rapid growth since its launch. The company has seen a significant increase in both user base and revenue over the past few years. This growth can be attributed to several factors, including strong marketing and branding. Vivid has successfully positioned itself as a modern, tech-savvy financial app. Its marketing campaigns have resonated with a wide range of consumers. Innovative features. The app offers a variety of features that cater to the needs of different users, such as budgeting tools, cashback rewards, and gamified savings challenges. Strategic partnerships. Vivid's partnerships with financial institutions have helped it expand its reach and offer a wider range of services. Factors contributing to success. In addition to the factors mentioned above, several other elements have contributed to Vivid's success. User-friendly interface. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are not financially savvy. Data security. Vivid prioritizes data security and has implemented robust measures to protect user information. Excellent customer service. The company provides responsive and helpful customer support, which is essential for building trust and loyalty. While Vivid's exact revenue figures are not publicly disclosed, it's clear that the company is generating substantial income. Its innovative approach, strong growth trajectory, and focus on customer satisfaction have positioned it as a major player in the fintech industry. As Vivid continues to expand and innovate, it will be interesting to see how its revenue streams evolve and how it further solidifies its position in the market. So, there you have it. While we can't give you an exact figure for how much money Vivid generates, we can confidently say that it's a financially successful and rapidly growing company. With its innovative features, strong user base, and strategic partnerships, Vivid is well positioned for continued success in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the world of fintech and stay curious.